The guys are mad at Shelby because she is making millions of dollars off seemingly basic advice. But what you guys fail to understand is that her marketing and her positioning in the market is absolutely unheard of. And I'll explain. You see, Shelby is a perfect example of when preparation meets opportunity. She's a blonde American girl, seemingly comes from a pretty good background, has a little bit of sales experience, and she was able to market and package that to an audience that is the number one consumer in America, keep in mind. So she has the look and the natural appeal, and you combine that with her ability to speak alongside with first mover advantage because nobody is doing anything the way that she's done it that we've seen. You now have a market that is going to reward her for just being first. And even though there's a guy version out there, just like Shelby Sapp, like he's doing nowhere near her numbers just because it's not new, you know? But with her, she only markets to women. She has to look, she can speak. It's a recipe for success. Now, will these women become millionaires like Shelby Sapp? Obviously not, right? Could they make a few thousand? Maybe. But even in my business, we tried to hire some of these sales reps coming from her program. And not only do they not have the experience, but they usually don't have the work ethic because becoming a high ticket closer as somebody who runs a 7-figure high ticket coaching business, it's way more than just hopping on calls with warm leads. You know, you got to do outbound, you got to do admin, you got to do follow-ups, you know, you got to deal with just the BS of the normal B2C market. But regardless of that, she is running up the bag, and by now she's likely set for life, which is insane.